and I'm gonna make the Greek version of lasagna called Pastitio. Let's go. Part 1, cook the pasta, but first we need to boil the water. Part 2, while the water is boiling, we're going to be making the mince. First, we need to chop the onion. Once the water is fully boiled and there's bubbles in there, you could slowly add the pasta. If you want to cook pasta our way, then you've got to add some salt and oil. Whilst the pasta is cooking, we are going to brown the onions. First, add some oil. Now add the onions. I've been mixing this for a while, and after a while they'll start browning and they'll look like this. Once the onions have browned, it is now time to add the mince to the onions. You should always use a fork to break up the mince. Now I'm going to test if the pasta is ready. Careful, this might be very hot. Once the pasta is soft, it is now ready. Now it's time to drain. Once you have drained the pasta, it is time to leave it to cool. That is now the end of part 1. Once the meat has browned, then you could add the pasta sauce and let it simmer. This is my friend to help me help. Do this. Now he's gonna stir. And then while you let it simmer, you need to turn down the temperature really low and just stir. Stage 3, the sauce on top of the pasta. For that, you will need about 250 grams of butter. Then you will need about 1 cup of flour. And then you'll need a lot of milk. You'll need 1 liter of milk. I like this. I like it very much. First, you want to put the butter into melt on a very low temperature. Once the butter is fully melted, Tristan will now add about 1 cup of flour. Blop. Now I'm going to mix. Mix until well combined. Now it's time to add 1 liter of milk. Slowly.
Jam it.
Just a fair bit.
That's exactly how you do it.
Most of the milk made it in, luckily. Once you've added all the ingredients, put the heat on high and start whisking slowly. Once the sauce has started bubbling and it's been getting really thick, that's when you know it's time to stop and turn it off. Once it's cooled a bit, but not too much, now it's time to add a chunk of cheese because I'm Greek. Now it's time to add 1 egg. You need to do it quickly so the egg doesn't curdle. The last part is combining all the parts together. Now that we have combined all three parts, now it is time to put it in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Now it's time to get the Pastitio out of the oven. Now it smells really good. You know when it's cooked when it has golden brown on the top and it smells really good and it's nice and crispy. Delicious.